Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a turtle. So this is what it's going to look like in the end. You will need a pencil and an eraser just in case you make any mistakes. And at the end, if you want to use a Sharpie, that is also a good tool to have right now. So you also need paper to draw on, of course. So what we are going to start off with is we're going to start off with the shell. So we are going to make a nice big body, a nice big shell. We're going to kind of do a straight line across the top, maybe make it slightly curved. And then we're going to bring our corners, make them curved and come on down on either side. And then we're going to bring it down to curve and kind of make a little like shield shape. Because turtles' shells kind of look like a shield. And they kind of act like shields too, which is kind of cool. Our next step, we're going to make our turtle's head. So we're going to start and kind of make a U shape, but at an upside down U shape. But at the end of it, we're kind of going to make it a little pointed because the turtle's heads kind of come to a point, kind of have a little beak on them. All right. Now we're going to make our first leg, or fin, flipper, whatever you want to call it, of the turtle. You're going to go right close to where your curve is at the top of your shell. You're going to go up about as high as the head shape that you made. And you're going to curve it over like this. You're going to bring it around. And then you're going to go about to the tip right here of kind of around the corner. You're going to go up. And then as you bring your lines to meet, you're kind of making it a little wavy because it's not usually a straight path. All right, now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to go almost to where the curve is starting. You're going to go up, kind of curve it up to about the same height as the head goes. You're going to curve it around like so. And then you're going to go to the other end of the curve. You're going to take it up. You're going to make it curvy going down. So now you have your two top feet, front feet, legs. And now you're going to do the back ones. So the back ones, you're going to kind of go, first let's make the tail at the very point of it. So you're going to make a little point, just a little V shape. And then for the legs, you're going to go out to where that curve kind of is right here. And you're going to curve it down, and then you're going to curve it up, and then take it up and make that line kind of curved shape. And do the same thing on this side. So you're going to curve it down, take it out, and then curve it back on in. And there you have it, back legs. So now we're going to work on the shell, making it look more like a turtle shell. So you have this nice big area. What we're going to do inside there is we're going to follow that just exactly how it is, but smaller on the inside. So you're just going to follow along, follow the same path you took with making the bigger one, and make a smaller one just inside. Just like that. So now we're going to make the designs, the kind of hexagon shapes on the inside of the shell, or on the inside portion of what we're drawing. So we're going to make lines. So we're going to make 4 lines. Try to space them out as closely to even as you can. There I have my 4 lines. And that's how we're going to start it off. So now we're going to make kind of like these greater than and less than signs. So first we're going to do a less than sign. And we're going to connect it to the ends of the lines. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side and do a greater than sign. And we're just gonna keep going and do that for all of our lines. A less than and a greater than, a less than and a greater than. All right, now all the hexagons are done, so now all we have to do is connect all of our points to our shell. We're going to connect them out just like so. You have all your designs there. If you want to make it a little more fancy, you can add kind of lines on the outside in between the two big shield shapes that you made. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, kind of show you. So I'm going to curve them, curved lines, kind of at the bottom, make a straight one and then go the opposite way. Just to make it look a little more 3D. And then again at the top, straight. And there you have it. You can make it the eyes, make a couple little like oval shapes, and then it's little nostrils, just a couple lines. And there you have it. You have your turtle. So don't forget to put your signature on it. Make sure that it's on there. And once you're at this point, you can leave it like this, hang it up. You can outline it with a Sharpie. That's what I like to do. It kind of makes it into a coloring page, and then just outline all the lines. Take your eraser, erase all that extra markings, and then you can color it just like a coloring page. And that's how you make a turtle.